there, it's Uncle Laurie here, back with another video. It's not a actual shave video. We're doing a shaving, non-shaving video. If you get my drift, we're going to demonstrate how much soap do you really need. Well, that all depends on how much lather you need, of course. So I'm going to demonstrate the 3 different sizes of soap you might use. Half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon, and 1/8 teaspoon. So basically about an almond size, a pea size, and frugal size, I suppose, just small. Alright, and in that we're going to use the same bowl, my Whispers from the Woods bowl, same brush, the Yaqi 24mm, well actually 26mm synthetic pony knot, and the same soap, a well-known soap maker, Stirling. And in between each lather build, I'll completely rinse out the brush and clean it and the bowl and start again for the next size or scoop size. Alright, without further ado, we'll produce those lathers. Right then, here we go with the first one, half a teaspoon. And we'll just scoop it out of the spoon with my spatula. Spread it around. Oh, there's a little bit of water in there, that won't matter. Okay, squeeze and a shake. We'll get started. Okay, here we are with the second one, quarter teaspoon, which is about the normal for most people. Normal size amount. Some people call it the pea size. At least I think they call it the pea size. Alright then. Squeeze and a shake. here we go. There we go, final one. 1/8 of a teaspoon. Alright, here we go. Again, squeeze and shake. As you can see, clean brush. Okay, that completes my demonstration. Conclusions? Well, you can use as much or as little as you want. 1/8 of a teaspoon looks like will generate plenty of lather for a 3-pass shave. So you can make a 5.8 ounce tub last a few years if you want. So you can be as frugal or as overloady as you want. It's really your own choice. Okay then, catch you on my next video.